Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. Today we're going to Walmart to see what their motor oil inventory looks like. I know there's a lot of chatter about shortages and increasing costs, and so I'm going to go into my local Walmart, take a look at what the shelves look like, and we'll go from there. I'm also here with my siblings. You guys ready?
Yep.
Oh, by the way, check this out, guys. 33 cents for an ear of corn. We're going to pick up some of that. While we make our way to the automotive section, I do want to just take a second to say thank you for watching this video. And if you're into car maintenance from the perspective of an everyday guy, consider subscribing to the channel. All right, we're almost there. All right, here we go. Wow, a lot of rollback. $28.97. I'm trying to find Valvoline Restore. Okay, Restore and Protect is still $29.97. Okay, Castrol Extended Performance $25.97. 5W30. Eurocar $27.48. Advanced $26.97. Max Life $28.97. Interesting that they're doing a rollback. Extended Performance $26.97. Oh, Advanced Clean $25.97. Wow. Dude, Advanced Clean is $25.97. Dude, they're doing some sort of rollback right now. Okay, so, Royal Purple. I didn't even know they carried Royal Purple here. That's $37.56 for 5 quarts. All right, Pennzoil. $25.97, 0W20. Valvoline, 6 quart, 10W40, $22.98. 10W30, $22.98. Synthetic blend, $22.98. 5W20, 5W20. SuperTech 5W30, $17.97. Full synthetic. Oh, Ultra Platinum. Sorry, I'm jumping all over the place here. 0W20, $25.97. I don't see the 5W. Oh. I don't see 5W30. Yeah, they sold out of the Valvoline Restore and Protect. Based on what I'm seeing at my Walmart, the prices have gone down, but a lot of the product is out of stock, at least for the Valvoline Restore and Protect. They do have the single quart bottles, right? But for your 5 quart bottles that are $29.97, yeah, it's out of stock. So I think folks have been really jumping on that. And then you have your specialty oil, diesel oil. I don't see the prices increasing here. So, I don't know. A lot of rollback, which I'm really surprised about given what's going on. All right, folks. Well, hey, I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, okay? Hopefully you found this helpful. Bye now. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.